name is SAJJAD Raza ATTARI. My question to you is that those whose parents have passed away from this world, their children are lazy in conveying them thawab and also are lazy in going to their graves. Please grant us an easy Madani solution that how we can convey them thawab, how can we visit their graves, and how can we attain steadfastness upon it.
Going to the graveyard in general is an act of reward, as long as the laws of Sharia are abided by. In regards to going to the graves of parents, it has distinctively been mentioned and stated in the blessed ahadith. Mercy of the mankind, the most generous and kind, the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam has stated, the one who visits the graves of his parents or either one of them on the day of Friday, Allah Almighty will forgive his sins and he will be inscribed as the one performing goodness with the parents. Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam has stated, the one who makes the vow of his parents true after their passing away and pays off their loan and does not get them called bad by calling someone else's parents bad, then he will be inscribed as the one performing goodness to his parents, even if he was disobedient to them during their lifetime. And the one who does not fulfill their vow and does not pay back their loan and gets them called bad by calling someone else's parents bad, then he will be inscribed as disobedient, even if he used to perform goodness with them during their lifetime. So when there is such persuasion and virtues of visiting parents' graves, then it's understood that visiting the shrines of the blessed awliya is also a privilege, it's also an act of reward. Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam himself used to come to the blessed shrines of the martyrs of Uhud every year. Wallahu ta'ala a'lamu wa rasuluhu a'lam. Azza wa jalla wa sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Sallu ala al-habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad